Have you built or are you planning to build an artificial intelligence-based health app or diagnostic tool for the Indian market? CDSCO, or Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, draft guidelines from October 2025 can decide whether your product gets approved or gets blocked. Hi, I am Dr. Rupal Rana Arya, and in this video, I will break down CDSCO draft guidelines on medical device software, or SaMD, and what you must do to stay compliant in India. Until now, Indian rules for apps, artificial intelligence tools and clinical software were scattered inside the medical device rules of 2017. The October 2025 draft SaMD guidelines finally tells us how software will be classified, what quality management system is expected, what kind of clinical evidence is needed, and how CDSCO will treat algorithm updates, especially in artificial intelligence and machine learning systems. If you are in digital health, this document is your new rulebook. CDSCO follows a risk-based model. Let's briefly go through that model. Class A is low risk or lifestyle or wellness software that only records or displays data. Class B is low to moderate or software that supports diagnosis, but the clinician can easily override it. Class C is moderate to high, or software that drives diagnosis or treatment decisions, like artificial intelligence cancer detection or dose calculators. Class D is highest risk, or software that directly controls life-supporting devices, or can cause serious harm if it fails. Here, the key practical rule is, if your software controls a Class C or D device, it usually inherits that higher class. So a small algorithm inside a ventilator controller is not Class B, but it is Class D. Every SaMD evolves, but not every update is a new device. Version change, under the same license, includes bug fixes, user interface changes, security patches, minor performance improvement with the same intended use and same patient population. New device territory includes change in intended use, new clinical claims, new risk profile, or a major algorithm change that makes the model behave differently on the same data. So, once you touch claims or risk profile, you are no longer in version update, you are in fresh approval territory. For AI and machine learning products, CDSCO expects an algorithm change protocol, or ACP. Think of ACP as a pre-agreed rulebook that says what types of algorithm changes you will make over time, what data, validation tests and acceptance criteria you will use, how you will document and trend performance after each update. If your ACP is robust and approved, you do not need to run back to CDSCO for every minor model retrain. If it is vague, expect regulators to treat each change as a potential new device. In cloud and SaaS models, who is the manufacturer? In cloud-based or SaaS health solutions, multiple players are involved: developer, cloud host, hospital, reseller. Under the Indian rules, the manufacturer is the entity that designs or controls the design, puts its name on the label or interface, and takes responsibility for performance and safety. For foreign SaMD or software as a medical device, CDSCO will also look at the Indian authorized agent. So do not hide behind, we are just the software vendor. If you control the code and the claims, you are the manufacturer. If you are building artificial intelligence health tools for India, this SaMD is not optional reading, but it is your compliance survival manual. Check out my LinkedIn profile for a detailed analysis. And if you found this useful, share this with your regulatory and product teams.